everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's Fun Scroll Saw project video, have another amazing Christmas theme designed by Steve Good. Really cool. Christmas is drawing ever closer for when Santa leaves the North Pole and takes flight on that magical night to deliver presents far and wide all the way around the world. Really cool. I know I am looking forward to it. Pirates love gifts. Maybe I'll get a present. Hopefully I've been good all year. But I've already got the pattern printed out to its full size and attached to our material with clear packing tape. And this is one of Steve's older designs from his pattern catalog. I get a lot of comments in the comments section asking where the design come from. Was it a newer one? Was it an older one? And if it was a newer one, did they just miss one of his posts? I like to go through the whole catalog and pick out older projects as well as the newer stuff as well. But with that being said, here is the design. It's going to be a little Christmas themed box. Here is the short sides, and we're going to stack cut the sides and go on make both at the same time. It has a Christmas tree. It has some snowflakes and presents at the bottom. And then we have the two sides here, which is Santa and his magical reindeer here. Really cool. And keep in mind, this is a tab design, and the bottom is just one piece of 1/4 inch material. With it being a tab design, some 1/4 inch plywoods do not measure exactly 1/4 inch. So it is key to take a scrap piece of wood here and do some test cuts. I always redraw the cut lines to the thickness of my little scrap piece here, and I'm going to have this on hand beside me at the scroll saw to where I can test fit everything as we do the tabs. That way I'm not running back and forth from the workbench to the scroll saw. It's always great to have something like this on hand to do your test fits. And the box is going to have some lining in it, and what I've selected for that is some pieces of walnut here that are 1/8 inch thick, and I've already got those cut partially to size on the table saw. But really cool, really happy with how this project looks. I've seen other people make it and wanted to make it myself. Since everything is prepared, let's head over to the drill press, drill all the pilot holes we need for this project so we can come back to the scroll saw and start scrolling. And over here on the drill press, we're going to take a small drill bit and drill all of the pilot holes for internal cutting. And there is some small cuts in this project, but like with every project we do, we'll just take our time and get everything done. Now over here on the scroll saw, I am using number 5 ultra reverse scroll saw blades, and they're cutting through all the material exceptionally well with minimal chip out, even the stack pieces we are doing here, which is always good when it comes time for sanding. And I missed a pilot hole when I was drilling them over on the drill press, so you will see me get up here and go and drill it real quickly so we can continue scrolling. And as I said, there is some small details on this project, and sometimes it seems that it takes longer to retension the blade and thread it back through than it does to do the actual cut. But that's how some projects are, and I'm just taking my time and letting the blade do the work. We are currently cutting out the narrow sides of the box, and now I am cutting out the slot for the tab, and you'll see me do a test fit to make sure everything is snug, and then we will proceed to cut out the long sides of the box, which has Santa and his reindeer. Christmas is a magical time for a lot of people, but yet it is also a sad time for a lot of people. I just try to take notes of people's emotions and feelings and treat everyone with kindness throughout the holiday season and throughout the year in general. I remember years and years ago going to the malls and sitting on Santa's lap and telling him what I wanted most for Christmas. That is a Christmas tradition, going to see the malls all decorated and visiting with Santa. Cutting out the long slot here for the tab, and I will test fit it, and I'll have to do some touch up here. But now all of the rest of the cuts will be outside cuts, which will release all the pieces from the waste material. If you guys like what you're seeing, I would highly encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me over on Instagram at Artisan Pirate. I'd really appreciate the support. And with tabbed and slotted projects like this,
you need to be as loyal as you can to the straight lines to make everything goes together smoothly during the assembly process. As always, I'm just taking my time and letting the blade do the work. And this is the bottom of the box we are cutting out, and it is just a single piece of 1/4 inch material, and as you see, I'm using the same blade. But this will complete all of the scroll work, and we can head over to the workbench to remove the patterns and material from the waste area and proceed to sanding with 100 grit sandpaper and the palm sander, which is more than enough with this material. Makes it nice and smooth. And then we will proceed to assembly. I am using some medium grade CA glue, and I'm just holding it till it grabs because I'm currently out of the activator spray. But once we get the initial box put together here, I will set it aside and let it dry completely for around 5 minutes. And while it's drying, we'll head over to the table saw and cut out the interior walls of the box on this table saw that was loaned to me since my nice cobalt table saw bit the big one. But we will glue these in as well with CA glue. Just adds a nice feature, the 2 different colored woods. And of course you could use just 1/8 inch material and just paint it. I like the natural color of the woods. But after this dried, it was time to seal it with several coats of Rust-Oleum clear gloss. And once that dried, came time for the fun part, and that was adding some goodies for the Christmas season.
And here we have the completed Christmas themed box cut out completely on the scroll saw, and it came out fantastic with some beautiful details in it. Thank you, Steve Good, for another amazing pattern from your pattern catalog. Once again, this is one of his older patterns for those curious, but really, really cool. It took me around 30 minutes to scroll everything out. I took my time and let the blade do the work. And as you see, due to careful measuring with me on the tabs, with this not being true 1/4 inch plywood, everything still slotted together perfectly and came together great. I did miscalculate on cutting the walnut interior pieces here, which really gives this piece an added look, but you can see here I'm still getting used to this new table saw that's on loan to me. My cobalt saw that I had and used in several videos finally bit the big one, and I'm really looking for a good table saw to replace this one here. But really, really cool. I had a lot of fun making this, and as you can see, it's already filled with those iconic Hershey's Kisses. Does anyone remember the commercial where they would swing and chime to Christmas music? But really, really cool. Really amazing, and it's just a perfect decor piece for Christmas, and the clear coat really made everything pop. This is my first time ever trying walnut in just the natural color of the 1/4 inch material I use. I had a lot of fun making it, and I hope you guys like watching me make it. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and also follow me over on Instagram at Artisan Pirate. Links to all my social medias as well as ways to contact me will always be linked down in the description box below these videos. That's about all for this one, and remember guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. Remember, it is Merry Christmas, and I hope you all have a great Christmas season. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.